That's it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be going through the show me, tell me questions because Taz has a driving test coming up very soon. I'm going to make sure you've revised all the questions.
Yep.
And you've watched the video in the Ultimate Driving course on the show me, tell me questions. To be honest, guys, this video, it's on the channel anyway. Yeah. And there's other good videos from other driving schools as well on the show me, tell me questions. So you don't have to download the Ultimate Driving course for the show me, tell me questions, but the other videos on every single topic, I can guarantee you that there's nothing like that out there. So yeah, show me, tell me questions, there are videos. Okay, right then. So are you ready, Tess?
Yep.
You revised them. Obviously, I'm not going to help you. Just going to see how much you remember. Yeah. Okay. Right. So I'm going to just read the questions off here, so I don't miss any single one out. Yeah. Okay. Ready? So we'll see how much you get right, how much you get wrong. Yeah. Okay. So if you could tell me how you check the brakes are working before starting a journey.
So you'd obviously press on the brakes to make sure they're not spongy, and then when you set off, when you use the brakes, you want to make sure the car's not pulling to one side.
Good. So there's two words I'm looking for: spongy and what else? So the brakes don't feel spongy or
slack.
Good. Yeah. Next question. Tell me where you'd find the information for the recommended tyre pressure for this car and how it should be checked.
In the vehicle handbook.
Good. And how should it be checked?
Using a pressure gauze.
Good. Any more detail?
Making sure there's no cuts. No, that's the other question. No, I don't know any more about that one.
Okay, that's fine. I'll give you that one anyway. Yeah. Okay. But check the pressure when the tyres are cold, and remember to fit in the valve caps.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Next question. Tell me how you'd make sure your head restraint is correctly adjusted so it provides the best protection in the event of a crash.
So you'd make sure the ridge part on the head restraint is level with the top of your ears or your eyes.
Cool. Tell me how you check the tyres to ensure they have sufficient tread depth.
So you'd make sure that there's no cuts or whatever around the tyre, and that the circumference and is it every 3/4 or something like that on the top of the wheel should have the tread depth of 1.6.
1.6 what?
Millimetres.
Okay. Tell me how you check the headlights and taillights are working. You don't need to exit the vehicle for this.
So you'd turn them on using the switch, and then you'd go around and check to see that all of them are working.
That's it. Good. Tell me how you know if there was a problem with your anti-lock braking system.
So when you turn the car on fully, the anti-lock brake symbol would stay on.
That's it. Good. Tell me how you check the direction indicators are working, and you don't need to exit the vehicle.
So you'd put your indicator on and then go outside, check, see if they're on and working.
Okay. Another a quick way to check all your indicators are working in one go, rather than putting the right ones on then the left ones on.
Could you just put all your headlights on?
Headlights. So headlights are your normal lights that you put on, yeah. Indicators are
The separate ones?
yeah, the flashing ones. How could you get all your indicators to come on at one time? Do you know? Okay. So the way you answered that was fine as well, yeah. But a quicker way to do it. So say if you did want to check all the indicators, yeah, you just press
the
that
hazard button.
Yeah. So press it for me. That's it.
I always put them off on that.
Yeah, and that puts on all your indicators on the outside of the car as well, yeah. And good. Next question. Tell me how you check the brake lights are working on this car.
So you'd press the brakes down, and then you could either check in reflections of windows or get someone to go behind and have a look.
Perfect. Tell me how you check the power assisted steering is working before you start a journey.
So like when the car's stationary and not moving, you want to try and twist it to see like it shouldn't really move, and then when you do turn the car on and start driving, it should move more freely.
That's it. See, that's not the wording that's written in the answer there, but we kind of know what you
on about.
Yeah, what you're on about. That's the main thing we're looking for. Yeah. Okay. Tell me how you'd switch on the rear fog light, and explain when you'd use them. You don't need to exit the vehicle.
So you twist the thing all the way around the switch.
Which thing?
This one.
Yeah.
You twist it all the way around.
Yeah.
And then you push this up.
Okay. So the up is for the front fog lights.
So you put it down.
That's it.
Okay.
Yeah. And when would you use them?
Say if it's really foggy and you'd use them to make sure cars behind you can see you clearly.
Good. Do you know the distance
They should keep.
of, when you said the visibility is not the best, yeah, that's when you should use them, yeah? When
Is
it's
that
quite
100
foggy.
metres?
Well done. Good. Okay, tell me how you switch on your headlight from dip to main beam and explain how you know the main beam is on.
So you twist the switch all the way around.
Could you do it for me? Could you put the ignition on and do it?
Just like that.
Okay, so that's a dipped. How you switch on the main beam now? Do you know?
That.
That's a
No,
fog
that's
light.
fog lights. No.
No? Okay. So firstly, the fog light that you just put on?
Yeah.
Switch it off, push it up again. That's it. So that's your dipped lights now, yeah. The lever, push it all forward. That's it. Let go of it. And the blue lights come on now, yeah?
Yeah.
That's your main beam.
Okay.
Pull it towards you again. And switch off your lights. That's it. You can turn the ignition off. Yeah, you get that, yeah?
Mhm.
Okay, so that's the first one you've got wrong.
So that's the one from dip to main beam. Okay.
Okay. Okay, number 12. Open the bonnet and tell me how to check the engine has sufficient oil. So the bonnet for this car, which you've never opened before, yeah? There's a lever on the right hand side there.
This one down here? With the little hole on?
Yep, that's the one. If you pull that towards you. That's it.
I broke the car. Yeah.
Okay, so let's go outside.
Should I take the key out?
Say it again.
Should I take the key out?
Yeah, just pop you there. Yeah, if you could open the bonnet.
It's not opening.
Okay, there should be a little
Handle
hatch there,
thing.
yeah. So, if you just lean down and try and see if you can see the hatch there.
It's like in the middle.
Yeah, it's roughly in the middle somewhere.
Do I have to put it towards me?
Try it.
Is it not working?
There you go.
Then you have to...
Well done. So what did you have to do with that hatch there? When you opened it?
Push it that way.
Was it that way or
No, this way.
that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right then, so could you just tell me how you
Do I
check
have
there's
to do
sufficient
it,
oil?
yeah?
Just tell me.
So this thing, the little stick thing, you pull it out.
Yeah.
Then you'd have to clean it.
Yep.
Put it back in so that you get the oil on, then take it out and make sure it's in between the correct measurements.
Well done. Good. And now could you tell me how you check there's enough engine coolant?
It's this one here.
Good.
And you want to make sure it's in between the minimum and maximum
Brilliant.
markers.
Well done. And could you tell me how you check that you got a safe level of brake fluid?
Is that this one?
So if you look at the sign on the top there,
Washer.
that's the washer.
Oh. Inside that one.
Yeah. So that
And
was
then
just
you
I
have
guess
to
yeah.
You
Okay.
have to make sure it's in between the markers as well.
That's it. In between the markers, yeah. But if you have a look at the sign on the top there.
Mm-hmm. Tells you what dots.
So that circle with the two lines.
Yeah.
Yeah. The ABS sign.
Oh, it's
Inside.
the same.
So that sign. It's got something to do with the brakes.
Okay.
So that's a brake fluid, yeah. Okay. So that's it. If you could shut the bonnet for me now, Taz.
I don't think I ever want to do this when I get a car. Is that shut?
Nah. So if you just push it down quite firmly. Okay, right, lift it back up again.
Show you again?
Yeah, just open it. Oh no, open it all. That's about up to there. And okay, a little bit higher. And just put it down now firmly. Watch it. That's it.
Just make Dad do that for me.
Okay, right, so that's tell me questions, yeah? There's 14 of them.
Yep.
And you got 2 of them wrong. One for the dipped and main beam, and the brake fluid one. You didn't know where that was, yeah? Okay. So the show me questions, which there's 7 of. Obviously, the examiner's going to ask you these while the car's moving.
Yep.
Yeah, it's normally towards the end.
Okay.
Okay, of the test. So when it's safe to do so, can you show me how you'd wash and clean the rear windscreen?
So you should I actually do it?
Yeah, just put the key in.
Do you just put that on?
No, because we're not going to move off.
So you just push it away, hold it for a few seconds, and then.
Well done. And could you show me how to wash the front windscreen, please?
So you just pull it towards you for a few seconds, and then it'll go.
Well done. And could you show me how to switch on your dipped headlights?
So you just twist it once.
Those are your side lights.
Oh, I don't know that one.
Okay, so if you look at these signs,
Yeah.
that's your side lights, that's your dipped one.
So you push it all the way?
Yeah,
Okay.
twist it all the way for me. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, and see the green sign, the second sign that came on?
That one?
Yeah, on the left.
Yeah.
That's for the dip lights, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, and switch off the lights for me. And could you show me how you'd set the rear demister?
This one?
Yep,
Should I do it?
just press it. Good. And switch it off now. And please show me how to operate the horn. Okay.
I didn't want to scare the driver over there.
So that, and could you show me how to demis the front screen?
And then would you turn these to high?
See, it's got that max button now that you just press and switch it off now. So once you do that, that's a quick clear
Okay.
procedure. So you don't really have to do anything with the
You can just press it.
heat and fan. Yeah.
Okay.
So if he hasn't got that, then you can, it's explained in the video.
Okay,
Then
yeah.
you can put the heat and fan up. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And could you show me how to open and close the window? That's it. And just switch off the engine. Okay, so the show me questions, obviously you're familiar with everything, yeah, but when you're on the move, just, when the examiner asks you to do them,
Yeah.
just don't rush for it. Make sure you've got good control of the vehicle. You dealt with if there's any oncoming hazards on the road, yeah, okay, and then go for it. You don't have to do it straight away,
Okay.
okay, but that's it. So not bad. Yeah, you still need to probably go through them
Yeah. A few more
once or
times.
twice. Yeah, just watch the video again and revise them, and yeah, that's it really. Good. So next we got another mock test, haven't we?
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the show me tell me questions done. And guys, like always, hope you found that useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.